Isitha had a problem, and inkinga yabo was iVenezuela. It's time you knew the truth. Sanibonani ngiyengizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, they lied to us. Asiqale. Let's go back to the very beginning. Once upon a time, Venezuela and everyone who lived in it was so happy because they have just discovered oil kwizwe labo. Oil eningi ezokwenza sure ukuthi it secures the future of izwe labo, and everyone was happy thinking ukuthi si rich. Sabona nesitha ukuthi nope kune-wealth eVenezuela, sadecide ukusondela. Understand ukuthi in the earlier 20th century, Europe and US companies like Standard Oil, Gulf, Netesco, Shell secured ama-contracts to take oil yase-Venezuela. They controlled over 98% of Venezuelan oil, paying Venezuela only ama-royalties. Nakhona babethola only 10%. Bayithathe yonke le crude oil ibenefitise the US markets. Understand ukuthi isitha sasidalela sizenzela with oil, with wealth yase-Venezuela until kufika leli legend, hero to the community, uCarlos Andrés Pérez. Ngomhlaka 1 January 1976, President Carlos Andrés Pérez made a historical declaration what he's going to nationalize oil yase-Venezuela. Understand ukuthi he also created a company wayibiza nge-PDVSA. It was a state-owned company that would control the oil yase-Venezuela. After that, he asked wonke lamazwe ayethatha oil yabo to transfer the oil back kubona khona kuzoqalwa phansi uyithengwe kabusha. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi this was the company that changed everything for Venezuela. PDVSA yenza sure ukuthi they will nationalize oil yase-Venezuela so that yonke into eyi-oil, yonke into ewumnotho wase-Venezuela will benefit abantu abahlala eVenezuela, and isitha would be forced to buy oil from PDVSA from Venezuela. Whilst uCarlos Andrés Pérez busy unationalize oil, in the shadows a hero was born. In the shadows a hero was rising up in the ranks. A man who was destined to change everything for izwe lakhe iVenezuela. Thiwa imanje 2026 ngabe simbiza ngu-Ibrahim Traore, but because back then sizombiza ngu-Hugo Chavez. Ngo-1999, a charismatic leader, Hugo Chavez, was elected as president yase-Venezuela. Understand ukuthi wasebenza phezu komsebenzi waCarlos. He increased power ye-PDVSA yezwa eVenezuela. He reduced foreign control from Venezuela. He also redistributed wealth, making sure to create izinto that fund the healthcare, that fund the housing, and eradicate poverty eVenezuela. He was the hero ebantwini. uChavez akagcinanga-ke lapho. Understand ukuthi ngo-2000 he pursued ama-policies that would force amakhampani amakhulu ezweni to only buy oil yase-Venezuela from PDVSA, only forcing them ukuthi bayithenge at a fair price. Understand ukuthi lama company amakhulu anqaba athi angeke ayenze leyo nto until uChavez wavela wathi nope, thina we will expropriate major assets, senze sure ukuthi nina anikutholi le oil. Bavele babona ama company amakhulu ukuthi no, uChavez is serious and uChavez we threats. The biggest company eAmerica eyalimala kakhulu the time uChavez enza lama moves was EX yakho yagijima yaya emaloyeni yathi they are going to sue Venezuela because isibaphuca oil yabo. Understand ukuthi ex yakho won the case vele, and they told Venezuela to pay 1.6 billion as arbitration award in 2020 over the past expropriation tonton, right? But Venezuela uChavez akayenzanga lonto, akukho imali ayikhipha ukukhokhela laba for ukuthatha i-oil yabo. Mina nawe, we both know ukuthi a baboon has a hand and isandla semfene started working. Yo. Yaqala-ke iVenezuela yaba ney'nkinga, there was corruption, mismanagement at EPDVSA, they lost ama-skilled laborers, but most importantly, America started sending ama-sanctions eVenezuela, sanctions after sanctions, making sure they stop the production of i-oil. Isandla semanki saqala sasebenza. Isitha asaqhubeka siloke sizama ukuvula umnyango and regain control of iVenezuela. Understand ukuthi suddenly kwavela a presidential candidate which was uMaria. It's a lot, kuningi, but all you have to know is that uMaria tried her best to become a president as a Venezuela. Eventually, bambona ukuthi nope, she's being funded by isitha, and wavele wa-exilwa, kwathiwa nope, akahambe la eVenezuela because we traitor. You fast forward kancane to umhla 3 January 2026, la khona sekuthiwa uPresident Nicolas Maduro usenyamalele ezweni lakhe, and ukunyamalala kwakhe kwaba anonymous, kwalalwa kwavuka ekuseni akasekho. And I'm sure you're asking yourself ukuthi after the president of Venezuela miraculously disappeared, kwenzekalani? What happened next? What happened next? Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and listen very carefully. After the capture of Maduro, the US President Donald Trump stated that US would run Venezuela's oil temporarily. Yes, kusho ukuthi yonke le oil yase-Venezuela would go through America. America would benefit the most. Understand ukuthi bathathe about 30 to 50 million barrels of oil. Yes, le oil izobenzela imali engango-2 to 2.5 billion dollars. So who won? So now you know the truth ukuthi yonke lento, ukunyamalala kwepresident, uku-invadwa kweVenezuela, it was all done just to get i-oil. That's all they wanted, because iVenezuela ibifuna ukuthuthuka yodwa, ibancisha umnotho.